guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you guys everything that I got for Christmas. So if you guys are out of the loop or if you guys are new here, hi, my name is Shelby. Welcome to my channel, and if you're not new, thank you guys so much for sticking around, and I'm so happy and grateful to have you here today. And I appreciate you all sticking around and supporting me every year and every video too. It means a lot to me. So the biggest and one of the most notable gifts that I want to say thank you is for having you join me and get to celebrate and share this time together. So and of course I also want to really thank my family and my extended family, as well as my second family and my wonderful boyfriend. Yeah, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all your love and support and everything you guys have ever truly done to support my channel. It means so much, way more than you'll ever know. So thank you a million times over. But I also want to preface by saying I'm in no way trying to brag. Of course, you guys know me by now that is never my intention, and I usually do this as a way to look back. But I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Thank you guys for another amazing, wonderful year, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Mwah! Right, y'all, so I'm rocking with the holiday pajamas and the matching sweatshirt, and I couldn't find my reindeer antlers, so we don't have those today, but I figured maybe a hat would do. I don't know. Starting off with stuff I got in my stocking. So I ended up getting some Hershey Kisses, of course, because everyone could use some kisses, especially on Christmas. So got a nice little thing of Christmas kisses. And then I ended up getting a Chick-fil-A gift card, which is very, very nice. So I got a Starbucks gift card, and then I also ended up getting a Nike gift card. I was actually able to use it and get some new workout pieces, so I'm really excited for that. I also got an American Eagle gift card. This was part of my stocking as well, and I actually also used this one to get some few new pieces, which was also really nice. So yeah, we didn't waste time, you guys. Guys, so starting off with this little stocking, I should move this over so you guys can see a little better. So I ended up getting a little strawberry Pocky, which is actually one of my favorite candies ever. I also got some new nail files, which is very much needed because my nail files are very, very bad. So bad we don't talk about them. I got some pink gloves I'm very excited about. And then I got some Ferrero Rochers, which are just chef's kiss. And then this is a tea. It is so good, you guys. It's my all-time favorite tea, hands down. This wedding green tea, because this is the greatest of all time, and I love it. So yeah, I got one of these. But yeah, I got some face masks. And then I ended up getting a pair of gloves. And then, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? I got this really cute set of gel nail polish in this beautiful blue color that I absolutely love. So it looks like this. It's so pretty and so cute. So it's just a little top coat and the color. And then I got a nail buffer. And then I ended up getting a cute little lotion, which is always very helpful. I got this really cute little jade facial roller and a lip gloss. So yeah, that's everything that I got in this little stocking. So thank you to my boyfriend's family. I appreciate it if you're watching this. Yes, I should address the elephant in the room, which is what is this big box? This actually has a couple of the presents in here, so it's really nice. Really cute. Pink. They're pink. Y'all, they're pink. Snowboarding goggles. Then I got some snowboarding socks. Also, pink snowboarding socks. They're both the same pair, so I'll just show you the one pair, but pink little ski mask, skiing snowboarding helmet, and it's also pink, and it happens to match all the other things. So, I'm very excited and super happy getting to try skiing and snowboarding, and I can't wait to share it with you guys because it's gonna be a lot of fun. Next thing that I got was this little gift set from one of our really close family friends. I ended up getting a really cute candle It's this cotton candy candle and it smells so good. Cute, and I'm really excited to burn it. This Burt's Bees lip balm, which I'm super excited about. It's a nice cooling and it helps restore dried lips because in the wintertime, you know, that is all too often occurring. So then I got these really cute and adorable fuzzy socks. They have little rainbows on them, and then they just come in like these different arrays. There's like, yeah, I'm really excited about those. These little stocking stuffers for face masks, so I'm super excited. This one's cranberry cider spice. It looks like that. This one is gingerbread spice. And this one is candy cane cocoa spice. I ended up getting this Lush Snow Fairy gift bag, little gift box, and it comes with a little shower gel and a bath bomb. Yeah, I'm really excited about that gift. And moving on to the other ones that I got, I ended up getting this really cute earring set. Looks like this. Has all these really cute earrings. Some hair clips. I love these things so much. So the next thing that I got were these pink headphones. Are these really cute? Oh my gosh, you guys. I love how it's pink. I noticed in my gifts this year there's a theme with pink, so I'm not mad about it though. I love it. So yeah, I ended up getting these really nice little headphones, really cute little workout top. It's this pink workout top, and yeah, I got this one. This was on my Amazon wish list, and I'm really excited to try it. It's so soft and like, I love the material. It's very nice. Cute philosophy gift set. So this has the Amazing Grace shower gel, lotion, and the perfume. And it just looks like this. Oh my gosh, it's so cute! All sizes. So I'm really excited. Thank You Next perfume. This is another really good perfume that I highly recommend. And then I also ended up getting some new brushes. The next thing that I got was the Daisy Love Oh So Sweet perfume. Oh my gosh, I wanted this perfume forever. I tried it a couple years ago and I fell in love with the scent. I am a big sucker for Daisy Love. So this little bracelet from the Noonday collection. It's a rainbow bracelet. It's gold and it has these like paper beads, which I think is so pretty. Try and do it like that, but they're made with these paper beads, and I love how they're like pastel. They're so pretty. So yeah, I got this from my grandma. This really cute cardigan. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like the flowers in the back. So this one is all pink and it has these little kind of like light pink flowers. It kind of looks like this in the front. It's just so cute. It has like these really fluffy and nice sleeves, so I love it. So soft. Yeah. So these are one of the pairs of jeans that I got. A pair of sweatpants, because the sweatpants that I have a good amount, but some of them are kind of ripping, so I actually needed some, and these ones are so soft inside. It's like unbelievable. Got this blue, like this dark blue, super soft inside, may I add, little hoodie, and so I'm really excited to wear it together. Oh my gosh, I love this one so much. It is this really cute little jacket. It's a shirt jacket from Old Navy. So it looks like this. It is so cute and I am in love with it. It's this purple and white and red little sweater. And I thought it was really cute and really sweet. So yeah, this is from my little brother. Thank you. And I love it so much. I got a bodysuit from my parents as well to go with that. So it just looks like this super cute pink. I got these, and then with them I also got a matching sports bra, which I thought was really cute. So it just looks like this. Looks like this, and it has like the little Gymshark logo on the back. And yeah, I'm in love with everything already so much, and I think it's really cute. I like the pink and that beige color, so yeah. Thank you, Mom and Dad, as well. Also got a really amazing gift from my boyfriend. My Christmas gift was to get a pottery date, so we're gonna go do pottery together, and I'm super excited because I want to do pottery forever. Yeah, I'm really excited about that. And then I've wanted cowgirl boots for a really long time, So my boyfriend got me these really cute and adorable white cowgirl boots. I'm so excited to wear them because I think they're going to look great with so many things. A big thank you to my wonderful, amazing, spectacular boyfriend. I love you and I appreciate you so much, so thank you. It's so cozy and yeah, so nice little blankie. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited about this one. And I cannot explain how excited because I'm really excited. So from my boyfriend's parents, I got a pasta maker. Now you're probably wondering, why on earth would you want a pasta maker? Well, the reason is because for a really long time I wanted to make pasta. It's been on my bucket list of things I've wanted to do for ever. And so I was thinking of all of these different things I wanted to try, and one day I mentioned pasta makers. So yeah, I'm really excited about this one. Thank you so much. That is honestly probably gotta be one of my favorite gifts. And then last but very much not least, I got these really cute little boots. I think they would go really cute with some of the outfits that I got. So I'm very excited. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all very much. Bye! Merry Christmas!